Eqolweni umphakathi wesifunda saseCape Winelands ukhale ngobugebengu, ukuntuleka kosizo lwezempilo nemisebenzi kanye nokucisha kogesi okuyimbangela izingqinamba ezahlukene ezikhungethe izwe.
People will get killed every day, but if you found the police, no police. Look what happened on Sunday night. A young lady was killed. Load shedding, in the load shedding, she was killed. And when we find out Sunday morning, here's a body laying, because it's load shedding, we cannot see what is happening in our towns.
Government must understand that the national government is assisting the unemployed with that 350, because a lot of families are assisted by that 350, President, but it's not enough.
UMengameli Ramaphosa uphinde wabalula ukuthi izakhamuzi zakuleli lizodonsa kanzima kulobusika ngenxa yezingqinamba ze-Eskom.
Difficult winter, and we are addressing the challenge of load shedding, and that is why I appointed a Minister of Electricity, as I said, who's working on this in and day out every hour of the day, and we are going to have ups and downs with regards to load shedding, because our generation units are old and they keep breaking up, and they are being repaired and we are maintaining them, and the renewable generation is coming into its own. So whilst we are going to have a difficult winter, but we are going to address load shedding.
Ramaphosa wethembise izakhamuzi kulendawo ukuthi uzolandelela ongqongqoshe ukuhlonza ukuthi sebehamba ibanga elingakanani ukuxazulula izikhalo eziphakanyiswe kule mbizo. Kanti ke imbizo yesikhombisa kulindeleke ukuthi singathwe ngenyanga ezayo eMnambithi enyakatho yeKwaZulu-Natal. Izindabeni ze-SABC ngingunqubeko Nzimande.